thanks and praise. As a small farmer in a St. Mary planting banana and plants, I am here to give thanks to AIBGA for conceptualizing in collaboration with JSIF, which did the grant to help farmers after Hurricane Beryl. It was coming timely because the year before we get a drought which hurt us tremendously, and we just was recovering when Hurricane Beryl strike, and find enough of us farmers in a very, very compromising position. So the grant from JSIF was timely to help us recover. And you can see the farm, you know, start produce up back and everything good, man. And more praises.
Swaby, on behalf of the farmers in St. Mary, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the JSIF team, the AIBJ, and the Banana Board. The JSIF has given us a grant with some fertilizer and weedicide, which has significantly helped us to resuscitate our farms based on the devastation that we have suffered during the hurricane last year. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the AIBJ for putting up the initiative so that JSIF could have taken on the responsibilities to see the needs of the farmers. On behalf of the farmers, once again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the JSIF team significantly. This will go a far way in helping us to resuscitate our farms. Thanks again.
Oh, this is Princess Carl Levy, and I'm grateful for the sugar that I've got because for the last year my bees has been dying out because of the hurricane that passed. There were no feeding whatsoever. Even if I do try to buy a few pounds of sugar, by the time I started to feed, it finished. So I'm so appreciative of the sugar that I've got. Thank you very much. And I will do my best to expand on my business because I have lost many bees due to that hurricane that passed. I lost over 30 bucks, and that is a big, big loss. Big pull down from where I was. But I still have hope, and I hope that I will, next year this time, I can do another video which I gain double portion of what I have lost. Thank you again.
Okay, I'm going to tell one of the small farmers in Illinois. And one of the ways in which Beryl affected me was that, especially this pond, it overflowed in the bags. Although I had a drain pipe installed in it. So I lost fishes to the canal. And I'm so grateful to JSIF and fisheries for granting me this fish. It is helping me a long, long way. And I'm forever grateful, and I thank you a lot.
My name is Rudolph Dover. I am the chairman of the West Rural Coffee Grower. I am Mr. Spalding. I'm a farmer of the West Rural Coffee Grower Association.
Ducal Watson, farmer of the West Rural Coffee Association.
Here at West Rural Coffee Growers Company, we produce typical Blue Mountain coffee for the local market at the moment. Hopefully, with some help, we'd like to go into the processing market that we can see our way through. Currently, we supply to a local market like Nevis Bank and Coffee Traders Limited.
My name is Yukal Watson. My farm right up on the hill of the sun. When the hurricane come, it blow down and mash up everything up there. The only thing left up there, the big mango tree, them and them, so everything else damaged. The coffee tree, them ring out, the banana plant, they are gone. But give thanks. And then now this JSF come in now and give you some input. Fertilizer, and my name is a chemical, fertilizer. It give you a boot still, although it's late, you see me? But I eat what I use. So, it's going to hope that as early as possible we can see some improvement. So as far as the women say by next year, we'll be back on track.
Good day, I'm Javian Bassier, a 24-year-old farmer in the proud parish of Clarendon. I here with a heart full of gratitude to the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and the Jamaica 4-H Club for their life-changing women and youth program. The pandemic hit my farming hard, disrupt markets, raise costs, and uncertainty make survival difficult. But this program gave me hope. The training, tools, and inputs helped me recover and grow. I learned better farming techniques, diversify my crops, and gain confidence as a youth in agriculture. Because of Jamaica Social Investment Fund and the Jamaica 4-H Club, I am not just surviving, I'm thriving. Thank you for investing in us and empowering our future. Your support means everything. God bless you.
Came and damaged all that we have prepared already.
Alright, before Beryl, it was quite booming, but after Beryl, it just went down to zero.
There's quite a number of them that had gone bad. So we are really in need of funds to help us to bring back those houses now.
It wasn't good for us because Beryl torn off the top and the plants that were in here, the rain damaged it, so we were out of everything.
We started to replant and we planted about 7 houses.
Because what we are actually farming now is sweet peppers. But we're having a struggle.
So we were privileged to plant 5 houses of tomato, or salad slicing tomato, and they are at the moment flowering. We are looking at blossom being put on them, and we have 2 houses that were planted with revelation pepper.
We really need some assistance, and we really appreciate what this plan to do.
We want to make sure that we can meet the demand of the processes.
It will help us about 120%. The reason why most of us are female and we can't do the extra work to do the job to get the house fixed. And suppose if JC stepped in and helped us, we can do better.
We can push the production much faster and more better because we have to be prepared to feed the nation.
And our family need our help.
We are at 7 houses, but we want the other remaining houses to be completed.
So we're looking forward for JSF to do what they are about to do.
We are happy now that JSF is coming on board.
We will succeed. It's a team that works together, so we'll help one another.
Because it's our desire to expand the facility, to expand the site, because we believe in production.
Thank you, JSF. We appreciate it.